Alright, YouTube, back with Michael S. This right here, 2012 Honda Accord, aka Porsche. Long time car I used to have. And now, Porsche need maintenance. Bought it brand new. Another one I bought brand new. Got like 140,000 miles right now. But it got a leak. So looking at this leak, people, as y'all can see, it's coming from, it's active here on the side, so it could be somewhere right here, right? Because it's actually coming all over here. So this is the active leak. So I was looking underneath. It's basically on this side right here. So something is going on right here. But for now, I'm just gonna clean it up. And for now, as y'all know, I believe in additives, so I'm gonna use that additive for now. Let it do what it do, seal what it gotta seal, and then I gotta get back to it. And that's how everything go right now. Sometimes I gotta start off with an additive, and then I get back to the main problem. So I am going to try the additive, and I will let y'all know if it works, called Oil Stop Leak BlueDevil. I used the BlueDevil product before. It was pretty good. And according to, I ain't even read the instruction yet, it says pour 1 bottle, 8 ounce into components on crankcase, right? Treats up to 4 to 6 ounces of motor oil, right? It says start engine or equipment up for 1 to 2 hours or until leak has stopped. So as I said, it's just an active leak right here. As I said, I went underneath, but it have a bunch of covering basically, which I'm not taking out tonight, which I can see is actually right here. So basically, or actually I see some coming up here. So I need to look a little bit further into where is it leaking. But I know, as I said, it's within this area here. I looked around the valve cover. Around the valve cover, I don't see no signs of anything sipping down from the back in the corner. But as I said, it looks like it's coming from that side corner right there. I believe from my previous knowledge with Hondas from way back, there's a gasket back here on the side that basically goes bad. So y'all can see all the oil on this side. So everything is happening here. So I'm just gonna spray it down, clean it up, wipe it down. I'm gonna swap out the oil, throw the BlueDevil, like an old, just covering the old schools have, and see what I could do. So I'm gonna put y'all on a time lapse, and y'all see my new oil pan, my DIY oil pan or whatever y'all wanna call it, and I'm gonna get to it. All right, so Porsche's gonna get an oil change real quick, a quick cleanup, and then we gonna take it from there. All right, stay tuned. Alright guys, I kinda got it cleaned up, not bad. So as I said, it looked like that leak is coming from the side. I gotta Google what's the name of that damn gasket on the side. But as I said, right now we gonna do a quick fix with this joint right here. So do it yourself, DIY. You already know, additive. So now I'm just gonna get into this oil swap real quick, and let's see, I get y'all a better angle from here. Bring it down, and let's swap out this oil real quick, because this is just a late night, morning, whatever you want to call it. This is kind of how I gotta do what I do. You know what I mean? Because sometimes this is how I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta do it when everybody's sleeping. And this is the best time to work. Less activity in the garage. Less cars coming in and out. And I like this time to work. You know what I mean? Best time to work is late night while everybody's sleeping. So I'm gonna put you on a time lapse while I just, bust this out, drain the oil out, and then when I start putting the oil back in, we talk about it. You already know. Alright guys, so now I'm about to put back the oil, so I'm gonna pour some of, even though, basically I drained the oil, but everything is not like empty. I'm gonna pour some of this first. Alright. And now I'm gonna pour some motor oil, kind of do like a little mix. So I went with today the STP Film Synthetic High Mileage. It was on sale. Autos don't be having them sale, people. So I went with this one this time. See how it do. And I cleaned everything up. So I'm just kind of going to do like a blend. So now I'm just gonna pour the rest of the BlueDevil, and these joints be working. I mean, I used it before, but not for the oil. So we're gonna see how the oil joint works. Basically, they kind of like swell up the if the gasket is soft or whatever, it restores it, swell it up, stop the leak until you get to, what you gotta get to. So that's what we doing for now. Now I'll let y'all know how it actually goes. So y'all already know the vibes. And I just want to do a double check on everything, make sure everything is always Gucci. And I gotta tighten up that pan. That pan is hanging down for some reason under here. And let me, even though I still got some oil left, let me just do a quick check on the oil real quick and see where we at. A little business, people. Let's see. Dipstick is that. Take up more. I did so much goddamn oil changes. I gotta still do the charger. I ain't do that yet. And once I do the charger, so oil look Gucci. Check it one more time. Nice and golden brown and clean. Okay. What's I got left? And that's that for that. Honda oil changes done, people. And see how that BlueDevil works. Hopefully it do what it do. Alright, so another car done. Another car done, people. Alright, so 2012 Honda Accord. Gotta clean up the motor. You already know I always got some cleanup to do. Maintenance, maintenance, maintenance. Everything needs maintenance. You heard? So I'm just getting to it, keeping busy till I finish with Rangel. As I said, just some little minor stuff we'll talk about in another video. But Rangel is 92% done. Just a little kinks I gotta work out. So just as I said, I'm not gonna stop doing what I need to do. I got cars to fix, got cars to maintain, and that's what I'm doing right now. Time is winding down. We about to hit March. Now I gotta get all this done, people. So that's what I'm trying to do. So, all right, like for Mike and Let's look at the back end videos. Y'all already know the vibes. Catch you on the next one. Peace.